In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark theme on the Trello app. Dark mode is a popular feature that modifies the look of your app, making the background dark and easing the strain on your eyes, especially in low light environments or at night. Let's get started with a few simple steps to enable this feature. First, you'll want to make sure you're on the right website. Go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner. You should see a login button. Click on it to get to the login page. If you're not already logged into your Trello account, now's the time to do so. You can either enter your email and password or choose to log in with your Google account for a quicker sign-in process. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the board's overview page. Here you'll see a list of all your boards within your workspaces. Now head over to the boards section of the page. This area is dedicated to all the ongoing projects you might be managing on Trello. The next step involves navigating to your workspaces. This section will group all your collaborative spaces in one convenient location. From here, find and click on the specific board you want to view or modify. This will bring up your dashboard in a more detailed view. Moving on, we'll focus on your account settings. Look to the upper right corner of the Trello interface where you'll see your account icon. Click on this to pull up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Theme. Click on Theme to proceed further into your customization settings. Now you're almost there. Within the theme settings, you'll see different options available for how you'd like Trello to appear. Look for the dark option and click on it. As soon as you do, your Trello interface will switch to dark mode, giving it that sleek, muted appearance. That's all it takes to turn on the dark theme for Trello. Remember, you can always switch back to the light theme through the same settings if you decide it's not for you. But dark mode can be a great way to reduce eye fatigue, and is especially helpful when working late into the night. Take some time to adjust and see how it impacts your productivity and comfort. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.